Good afternoon, children. Welcome to EVS class. Welcome to EVS class. Today, in this class, before starting the lesson, I would like to ask few questions to you all. See, whenever you see outside, the first thing what you can see, what? My question is, whenever you see outside, the first thing you see is what? Anyone? What? Yes. The first thing we see is trees, greeneries, which is there around us. Yes or no? Yes, we see trees outside. We see many plants around us. Yes or no? We see many plants around us. Tell me now, plants are in which color? Yes, green color. Plants are in green color. So, today in this class, we are learning a new lesson, lesson number 9, more about plants. I know you all know about plants, but in this class, we will learn something different, something new. I think आपको अभी तक इसके बारे में नहीं पता होगा. That all things we will learn in this class. If you have any doubt, at the end of this session, I will give you 10 minutes time to ask all your doubts, to clear all your doubts. Okay? Shall I start? Now, see. Yes. Before learning about this lesson, before learning about one particular plant, first we will understand the uses of plants. Why we need plants? हम हमेशा क्यों बोलते हैं कि पेड़ मत काटो, बहुत सारे झाड़ उगाना है, क्यों बोलते हैं? Why? What is the uses of plants? Why we need plants? That all first we will learn in this class. Okay? When you don't know the importance of that particular thing, you will not be able to learn anything about that. So first I will make you understand the importance of plants. Okay?
Because it gives us oxygen.
Yes. First, we will discuss about the different uses of plants. We know plants are very useful for us. I know, you know, everyone know this. Plants are very useful. But how? How it is useful for us? There are many kinds of plants. Not there is one or two types of plants like that. There are many types. There are many kinds of plants. Bushes, trees, climbers. One more is shrubs, herbs, creepers. There are many kinds of plants in our surroundings. We enjoy various types of benefits from different types of plants. For example, if you take tree, all trees gives us different types of benefits. For example, I choose mango tree because I love mango. Mango tree gives us mango, and next is guava and chiku. All different types of plants gives us different benefits. Coconut tree, yes or no? Coconut tree से हमें क्या benefit है? It gives us tender coconut, right?
Coconut.
Yes, and we use coconut for our this thing to prepare a different dishes. We use coconut. Like this, different trees gives us different benefits. Okay. Now, let us know some of the following uses of plants. The first one is why we need plant. The main thing, the main important point is for food. Plant gives us food. Yes or no? The most of the thing which we eat comes from plants only. Yes?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
plants are the main source of our food. Whatever we eat, that all comes from plants only. We use different parts of we use different parts of different plants as food. For example, we eat some roots, which is the example for roots which we eat. Sweet potato is a root, yes or no? जो जमीन के अंदर होता है वो एक रूट है जो हम खाते हैं. बीटरूट, बीटरूट. नेक्स्ट, carrot, that is also a root which we eat. We use different part of different plants as a food. कुछ plants के हम leaves खाते हैं, leafy vegetables, we call that leafy vegetables. For example, spinach, fenugreek, that are leafy vegetables which we eat. So we use different parts of different plants as food. And next is we eat leaves of some plants like spinach, radish, fenugreek, all these leafy vegetables which is high protein, that all. That is palak means spinach. The leaves are used as cooked or green food. They are rich in vitamins and minerals, that is spinach and radish, which we have to eat. And next, roots. As I said, we use different plant as a different food, right? We eat roots also, that is radish, carrot, and beetroot. These are the roots which we eat. Like this, there are so many benefits that we get from plants. We eat cereals, pulses. Just now, I explained about the leaves and the roots which we eat. Even plants gives us fruit, cereals, pulses, grains. There are so many things which we are totally dependent on the plant. The main source of our food is what? Children, are you there? Yes, the main source of food is plant. We are totally dependent on plant, which gives us food. Understood?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
these are the uses and benefits of plant. So now next, I hope you all have understood this. Why we need to save plants, trees. Okay. And next, now let me explain. Unnati Madiwan, who is that disturbing in between? Have patience. And here, all of you open page number 42. All of you open page number 42.
Done, ma'am. Done, ma'am.
Lesson number 9. Which lesson today we are learning here in this class? Oh, not speak.
More about plants. More about plants. More about
It is more about plants.
More about plants.
There are many plants around us. Plants are of different shape and sizes. सभी प्लांट एक ही साइज का होना है ऐसे नहीं है. सभी प्लांट्स एक ही जैसे होना है वो भी नहीं है. All plants are different shapes and different sizes. Some plants are tall, some plants are short. Some plants are very tall and some plants are very short. Different plants have different types of stem. Let us learn about some types of plants. Each plant is different from other. So now let us learn about some types of plants. Here in plants, first we will see about this plant that is called tree. Trees are different, plants are different. How it is different from each other? See here. A tall and big plant is called a tree. Tall and big plant. जिसको बिग ऐसे बड़ा सा ट्रंक रहता है, इट हैज बिग ट्रंक एंड इट इज टॉल एंड इट इज ह्यूज इन साइज इज कॉल्ड व्हाट? ट्री.
Tree.
So can you see any tree around your house?
Tree. Mango tree.
Yes. Mango
Yes.
tree, jackfruit tree, coconut tree, banyan tree,
Yes, ma'am.
gulmohar tree.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
these are the
Nothing, ma'am.
have patience. These are the these are the example for trees. A tall and big plant is called tree. A tree has a strong and woody stem called a trunk. जैसे मैंने बोला strong, thick and woody trunk. This is called trunk. I can't get one tree here to show you. That's why I have drawn. इतना बड़ा ट्री में कैसे उतार के लाऊं आपके लिए? Now you understood which is called trunk, which is strong, thick and woody. This is called trunk. This part of the tree is called trunk and it makes the tree strong and tall. ये बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग रहना है, नहीं तो थोड़े बारिश में भी ट्री गिर सकता है. ये सब ना इसका रूट और ट्रंक स्ट्रॉन्ग रहना, स्टेबल रहना, नहीं तो ऐसे ऐसे होके वो गिर जाता. इट मेक्स द ट्री स्ट्रॉन्ग. A tree can have many branches. Example, a tree are banyan tree, neem tree and mango tree. A tree can have many what? Branches. Not only one, it can have many branches. See, a tree can have many branches and example for trees are mango tree, banyan tree and so on, etc. Okay, you can take any tree which is tall and it has huge or big trunk. Understood? Trees are different, plants are different. So first we have taken this part tree. All are here. A tall and big plant. A tall and big plant is called tree. I hope you all have understood about this tree. Trees are different, plants are different. Now, next is we go to here plant. In plant, there are many types. Which are those? First is shrub. Next is herb. Shrub, herb, climbers, and creepers. In plant, shrubs, herbs, climbers, and creepers. So, one by one, I will tell you what these are. First, I'll take shrub. A small plant with a woody stem is called a shrub. See here, I have something here to show you. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a small
Yes,
plant.
ma'am.
This is a small plant with woody stem. You can see the stem here. Woody stem. Yes? This
Yes,
is a small
ma'am.
plant. This is not a tall or it has a strong, what we say, trunk anything. It has a small woody trunk and it is small in size and it is called shrub. It has many branches. You can see it has many branches, not only one. It has, this is called branches. All this Branches. The shrub has, see, it may have many branches. Cotton, tulsi, and rose plant are example of shrubs. Have you seen cotton plant?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Cotton, tulsi, rose, and some other plants are called shrubs. I got this plant, that's why I'm showing you this. Exactly rose plant I did not
Ma'am,
get.
see
If possible, tomorrow I'll get tulsi plant to show you all. Okay. And next is herb. What is herb? A small plant with a soft and green stem. Herb means a small plant. See here. It has no woody stem. ये woody नहीं है. ये green color में है. The stems are in green color. See. Green color के stem है ना यहाँ.
ma'am.
But
Yes,
this plant has
yes,
a
ma'am.
woody stem. See here. इसके
Yes, ma'am.
don't say simply yes. First understand. इसका stem देखो और इसका stem देखो. It has a woody stem, but it has a green and soft stem. A small plant with a soft and green stem is called herb. इसको एक ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर भी हुआ है. यूजुअली हर्ब को इतना फ्लावर नहीं होता है. I did not get this mint or spinach. Spinach is nothing but पालक. पालक का स्टेम भी देखो कैसे रहता है. वो वुडन कलर में रहता है. वो तो ग्रीन कलर में रहता है. That is called herb. Okay. Which stem is green in color and it is very soft. A small plant with a soft and green stem is called herbs. Grass, mint and spinach are the example for herbs. Have you seen grass जो garden में ऐसे हो जाता है ना grass? You observe that grass, you observe that herb which stems are green in color and which is very soft and delicate and which is very small in size. That is called herb. Grass, mint, spinach, all these plants are example for herbs. Now tell me, shrub means what?
Woody stem means
Yes, a small plant with woody stem. Shrubs means a small plant with woody stem. इसके स्टेम का कलर वुड के कलर है. दैट इज ब्राउन इन कलर. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड shrub. ये भी प्लांट है. दिस आल्सो स्मॉल इन साइज बट इट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम herb. कैसे डिफरेंट है? इट इज स्मॉल इन साइज एंड इट हैज woody stem. बट herbs, herb में क्या डिफरेंस है? shrub और herb में डिफरेंस क्या है? Herb is a small plant.
green.
Herb is also a small plant with green stem. Okay. Now tell me the example for shrub.
Mint, tulsi,
Cotton, tulsi, rose. Cotton, tulsi and rose. जिसके स्टेम्स वुडी कलर में रहते हैं. जो छोटे से प्लांट है फिर भी उसके स्टेम जो है वुडी कलर में रहता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड shrub. So, example for shrub are cotton, tulsi and rose. And now, give me your example for this herb which stem is green in color. Mint,
grass,
grass, grass, mint and spinach which we eat. The leafy vegetable which we eat all are herbs because that stem are green in color. Coriander, fenugreek, Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And next is climbers. Climbers means
Some
what? Which climbs? Is plant climbs? Children, in plant, the next part is climbers. This name climbers is only indicate that it climbs. Is plant climbs?
Yes, ma'am.
कैसे?
Yes, ma'am.
See, climbers means some plants have weak stems. Some plants it has weak stems and it cannot grow on its own. It needs a support to grow. Tell me one best
Ma'am.
example for climbers. See, बीच में मैंने एक स्टिक ड्रॉ किया है and this climber are growing with the help of this stick. It is getting the support of the stick and it is climbing towards here. Okay, so these are called climbers means there are some plants which has weak stem. It cannot grow on its own. It needs a support to grow. The best example for climbers is मनी प्लांट. आपके सबके घर में रहेगा ही मनी प्लांट और आपने तो देखा ही है कभी ना कभी, राइट? नहीं है मनी प्लांट आपके घर में?
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I have many points.
See,
Ma'am, I don't have any plants.
very good. Someone is showing Unnati Maniwal. Very good. Money plant is the best example for this climber. See, some plants have weak stems. They cannot grow upright on their own. They cannot grow upright on their own. They need some support. उस support को लेके वो ऐसे 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 करके वो ऊपर तक जा सकता है. That is called climbers. Climbers means that name only indicates climb करना, चढ़ना. खुद वो ग्रो नहीं होता है, उसको ऐसे सपोर्ट के लिए कुछ तो चाहिए. That is called it is climber. They cannot grow upright on their own. They need the support of other plants. They need support of other plant or they need any support like wall, stick, anything. Okay, then only they grow. Walls or sticks, such plants are called climbers. Money plant, green pea plant, and bean plant are example for climbers. Money plant, green pea plant, and next is bean plant. Bean plant. All those plants are called climbers because they cannot grow upright on their own. They need support of other plants, sticks, or walls. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am?
Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am? How grow
Huh?
cotton?
What happened?
How should grow cotton?
What?
कॉटन कैसे उगता है?
Cotton?
कैसे उगता है?
कॉटन एक प्लांट है. इट इज वन प्लांट. जैसे रोज के प्लांट होते हैं वैसे कॉटन के प्लांट होते हैं. उसमें भी ऐसे फ्लावर के जैसे खुलता है तो उसमें हमें कॉटन के रूही रूही के जैसे निकलता है. वो रूही से हम कपड़े बनाते हैं.
यस मैम.
ओके. एंड जूट मटेरियल जो बोलते हैं हम लोग, जूट मटेरियल जिससे मैट बनता है, कर्टन्स बनते हैं, जूट मटेरियल दैट इज ऑल्सो अ प्लांट. उससे हम जूट मटेरियल कपड़े हम बनाते हैं. ओके.
ओके मैम.
I will show you one video. You will understand. I have given cotton plant pictures here. कॉटन प्लांट फ्लावर के जैसे ही दिखता है मगर ये कॉटन है। ये कॉटन को निकाल के इससे कपड़े बनाते हैं। यस चिल्ड्रन।
प्लांट का ऑक्सीजन कहाँ से आता है?
क्या कहाँ से आता है?
प्लांट का ऑक्सीजन कहाँ से आता है?
क्या क्या प्लांट का आवाज?
आवाज नहीं ना, ऑक्सीजन।
प्लांट को ऑक्सीजन कहाँ से आता है? राइट। प्लांट को ऑक्सीजन कहाँ से आता है?
यस मैम।
प्लांट प्रिपेयर्स, प्लांट प्रोड्यूस, वो ऑक्सीजन रेडी करके हमें देता है। ओके, प्लांट खुद ऑक्सीजन रेडी करके हमें देता है। वो सब बहुत बड़े बड़े लंबे प्रोसीजर है, अभी मैं बोलूंगी तो भी आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा। इट इज ऑल यू कैन लर्न इन हायर क्लासेस। सब सिर्फ आप ये क्लास में इतना समझो कि हमें बहुत सारे प्लांट्स को डालना चाहिए, प्लांट्स को कट नहीं करना है बिकॉज इट प्रोड्यूस ऑक्सीजन विच वी नीड टू ब्रीथ।
प्लांट का ऑक्सीजन वो एयर पोल्यूशन होता है ना?
यस यस,
प्लांट का एयर पोल्यूशन होता है ना?
योर वॉइस इज नॉट क्लियर, ठीक से सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है। प्लांट का क्या बोला आपने?
प्लांट को होता है ना, हमारा एयर हम सांस लेते हैं।
हाँ, हम जो सांस लेते हैं,
हाँ, वही प्लांट का जो एयर होता है वो एयर पोल्यूशन होता है ना?
सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है ठीक से, कुछ तो आप बोल रहे हो तुम, सुनाई दे रहा है। सी हम ब्रीथ करने के लिए हमें ऑक्सीजन चाहिए जो हमें प्लांट से मिलता है। यस, यस। गेम्स क्रिएशन, हु इज दिस? किसी को सुनाई दिया उसने क्या क्वेश्चन पूछा?
नो मैम। मैम, ये जो प्लांट होते हैं ना, उनका जो एयर होता है,
हाँ,
वो एयर पोल्यूशन होता है।
वो क्या होता है इनमें?
मतलब नहीं, जो प्लांट का जो सांस होता है ना, वो सांस लेने में उसको एयर पोल्यूशन सांस लेते हैं।
आई एम वेरी सॉरी टू से, मुझे कुछ भी क्लियरली सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है। प्लांट्स को कुछ होता है, क्या होता है वही सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है।
एयर पोल्यूशन मैम।
हाँ,
वो एयर पोल्यूशन।
वेट संस्कृति,
एयर पोल्यूशन।
वेट, हाँ एयर पोल्यूशन।
यस मैम।
हाँ, क्या एयर पोल्यूशन क्या?
यस, प्लांट का ऑक्सीजन एयर पोल्यूशन होता है।
क्या प्लांट का ऑक्सीजन लेने से?
यस मैम, उनका ऑक्सीजन ना
सभी एक साथ बात करेंगे तो कैसे सुनाई देगा? हैव पेशेंस, नो टॉक वन आफ्टर द अदर। आप लोग सभी एक साथ वो करें, पहले सुनाई नहीं दे रहा हो क्या बोल रहा है? स्टॉप। इफ you have any doubt, put it in the chat box. Ask your parents to type there. Okay, listen. Open page number 42. Here in this class, I have taken only the types of plants, that is trees, shrubs, herbs and climbers. In next class, I will tell you about the creepers and parts of the plants. Okay? Yes. Now, I will read the lesson. Sanskriti. Now, I will read the lesson. You put your finger there. Okay? Shall I start?
Yes ma'am.
Lesson number 9. plants. We see many plants around us. Plants are plants are of different shapes and sizes. Some plants are tall, some plants are short. Different plants have different types of stem. Let us learn about some types of plants. Trees. A tall and big plant is called a tree. A tree has a thick, strong, and woody main stem called a trunk. A tree can have many branches. Example of trees are banyan tree, neem tree, and mango tree. Sanskriti, senior book. Shrubs. A small plant with a woody stem is called a shrub. It has many branches. Cotton, tulsi, and rose plants are example of shrubs. Herbs. A small plant with a soft and green stem is called a herb. Grass, mint, and spinach are example of herbs. Next is climbers. Some plants have weak stem. They cannot grow upright on their own. They need the support of other plants, walls, or sticks. Such plants are called climbers. Money plant, green pea plant, and bean plant are examples of climbers. Kairan,
Yes, ma'am.
you don't know how mango grows? You have not seen mango tree? Hmm? Kairan, tell me
Yes,
how
ma'am.
mango grows. How mango grows? Mango is a, let me explain. Mango is a seasonal fruit. वो ईयर के 12 मंथ्स में नहीं होता है कायरा. ओके, वो मार्च अप्रैल मई में मैंगो का सीजन होता है. दैट इज कॉल्ड अ सीजनल फ्रूट. जैसे एप्पल रहने दो, बाकी सभी फ्रूट्स हमें होल ईयर मिलता है, अवेलेबल रहता है, बट मैंगो हमें साल के कुछ ही महीने ही वो अवेलेबल रहता है. सो मैंगो इज कॉल्ड अ सीजनल फ्रूट. वन थिंग. एंड नेक्स्ट योर क्वेश्चन इज हाउ इट ग्रोज. मैंगो कैसे होता है? लिसन, हु इज दैट इन बिटवीन? मैंगो कैसे ग्रो होता है? हैव यू सीन मैंगो ट्री कायरा? Which is tall and has a huge trunk, woody trunk. Yes?
Yes,
You
ma'am.
just observe any one mango tree. If you observe now, अभी आप जाके देखो तो वो सिर्फ ग्रीन लीफ ही रहता है उसमें, नथिंग एल्स. जब आप फरवरी के टाइम अगर आप मैंगो ट्री को देखोगे तो उसमें छोटे छोटे फ्लावर्स दिखते हैं आपको, विच इज व्हाइट इन कलर. ओके, और उसके लीफ जो है मैंगो के लीफ भी वो थोड़ा ब्राउनिश कलर में, मतलब नया नया मैंगो लीव्स बाहर आते रहते हैं और उसमें बहुत सारे फ्लावर्स होते हैं उस टाइम. वो फ्लावर आगे जाके छोटे छोटे कच्चे मैंगो के रूप लेता है और वो बड़े होके पक के हमें मैंगोज मिलते हैं. दैट मीन्स मैंगो ट्री तो हमेशा रहता ही है, मगर साल में उसका प्रोडक्शन जो कुछ ही मंथ ही रहता है. फर्स्ट उसमें छोटे छोटे फ्लावर्स होते हैं, उसके बाद छोटे छोटे कच्चा मैंगो निकलता है, वो बड़ा होके पक्के हमें मैंगोस मिलते हैं. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, ma'am.
अगर आपका क्वेश्चन ये है कि मैंगो ट्री कैसे होता है, हम जो मैंगो खाते हैं उसके अंदर हमको एक छोटा सा ऐसे बीज के जैसे मिलते हैं, उसे क्या बोलते हैं आप? वाटी बोलते हैं शायद, जो ए शेप में रहता है.
All shape, ma'am.
यस, ये शेप में रहता है। इसको अगर
Yes.
हम मिट्टी में डाल के रखेंगे थोड़े दिन तो उसके अंदर से हमें ऐसा एक रूट बाहर आता है।
एक रूट बाहर आता
यस,
है।
रूट बाहर आता है। वही रूट आगे जाके छोटा सा प्लांट के जैसे होता है और कुछ साल के बाद वो बड़ा सा मैंगो ट्री बनता है जिससे कायरन बहुत सारे मैंगो खा सकती है। ओके, कायरा को लिसन, कायरा को इस बार क्या करना है, एक अच्छा क्वालिटी का मैंगो घर में लाके आपको खाना है कायरा, और उसके जो वेस्ट वाटर मिलता है ना उसके अंदर का, उसे आपको मिट्टी में डाल के उससे आपको रूट बाहर निकालना है और उसको आपको प्लांट करना है। और जब आप बड़े हो जाओगे ना मेरे एज के, तभी आप उस झाड़ से मैंगो निकाल के खा सकते हैं। ओके, विल यू डू दिस?
Yes, ma'am.
इस लेसन में हम एक एक्टिविटी भी करेंगे, दैट इज कॉल्ड सीडलिंग। हम छोटे छोटे सीड्स को भी हम यहाँ मिट्टी में डाल के उससे प्लांट कैसे आता है वो भी हम ऑब्जर्व करेंगे। ओके,
Okay, ma'am.
यस, आई होप दैट यू ऑल हैव एंजॉयड एंड अंडरस्टूड दिस लेसन। यस,
Ma'am, I have mango tree.
you have mango tree. Okay, so in this season, in this mango season, मार्च अप्रैल में आप मुझे बहुत सारे मैंगो ला के दोगे। ओके, no answer, I don't want your mangoes. Okay, read the lesson. Lesson reading is very very important, children. You will get a different and a new words from this lesson. So make a list of all those new words and what we say, learn all those spellings. Okay, will you do this? Okay, read the lesson. Huh? Lesson reading is very very important. In next class, I will tell you the uses of plants, parts of plants, and about creepers. Okay.